Hey yo, what's crack-a-lackin' J-Fam? I'm your host, James Moreland, and today we have something awesome to unbox. This is kind of a weird video, but I really want to share this with you guys because I got the Apple credit card and it is in this box. I've seen a lot of people making videos about it, and ever since they announced it at the original Apple conference, I was like so excited because I've never had a credit card. This is going to be my first credit card. I turned 18 like 4 months ago, or 3 months ago. So this is going to be my first credit card that I actually got, and I'm super excited. I was really surprised that I got approved to get this credit card, but apparently Apple and Goldman Sachs, which is the actual company that's providing this card, has been handing these cards out to basically anyone, even if you have a really bad credit score, or in my case, I don't even have a credit score. So I don't really know how that happened, but I did get my hands on it, and it is super cool. One of the main reasons I wanted to get this card is because it's a metal card, and currently I do have my PayPal business debit card, and this card is the closest thing to metal, but it's actually just a plastic. It has a little bit of a shiny metal to it, but that is a really cool card. But this is a credit card, and I've already started using Apple Pay and the credit card on my phone, and I've been able to get 2% cash back, and when I use the card, it's 1%. So I'm going to stop talking about it, I'm going to start opening it, and the packaging is really cool. I just got the notification when I arrived at my house that it was out front, but let's begin opening it. I love when they have packaging like that. Okay, opening. And I did just order my MacBook Pro 2019 for college, so I'm also going to be unboxing that later this week. I don't know if I'll make a video about it, but oh snap! Here it is, and my little name on it. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay, so it has this little tap to activate. So I'd assume there's like an NFC chip in here. Most of the time, whenever you guys get new cards, you have to call into a number and then say that you got a new card and like type in the card number. But Apple's making this really fluid and really easy to do. So I'm going to turn on my screen recorder so you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. I also did just update my iPhone to iOS 13. And then in the Cash App, I've already gotten 36 cents from Apple Pay. And the thing is, they instantly transfer the money the next day. I also have my total balance, and I've only been approved for $250, which I'm actually surprised that I got, judging by the fact that I don't have a credit history. And they basically had to go off my word of how much money I make. And you can see I've been to 7-Eleven. I also got my Apple subscription for my music service, which was $10.50 for Apple Music. And since it was an Apple product, I actually got 3% cash back instead of the standard 2. And when you use this card, a standard 1. You can also pay early on this card, which is really cool, or pay later. And today is the 30th, so it will be charging my account today. And also, a really cool thing about the card is it changes color depending on how much you use it. But I'm just going to tap it on the card. So apparently you don't just open this up. I actually have to go to my activate card. It knows when my card got delivered. And now I have to hold it against my card. Okay, there, I got it. That was weird. Okay, your card is ready to activate card. Activating card. And did it work? So yeah, this is a MasterCard, and I'll get 1% cash back whenever I want to use it. But again, using 2% when you use your phone. Okay, so let's pop it out of here. So, okay. Oh! It's metal! That's so cool. Oh, it looks so nice. Here's a quick cinematic of the card. Okay guys, so this card is absolutely awesome, and one really cool thing about it is, do you guys hear that? I just hit it against my table. I don't want to damage this metal, and they completely follow the standard Apple beautiful, amazing designs. Like, just the way the Apple logo is etched in there, my name is etched, and like everyone else is saying how they're kind of worried about this weight rubbing off, especially when you swipe your card, because I know all my cards, whenever I swipe, I always get a little bit of the paint or plastic getting scratched off. So I'm kind of worried about that with this card, but it is a metal card, which is really, really awesome. So guys, I guess this was just a short video of me showing off my Apple credit card. If you guys want to see some more tech videos, there have already been a lot of videos about this. That's why I didn't really want to go into so much depth with this. But this was my first credit card, and I'm pretty excited. I was nervous when I got it, but I really want to start building my credit score. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will catch you all on the flippity flop. See you all later. Bye.